Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with safety. Power off and unplug the keyboard and remove any wireless dongle. Once done, flip it over and remove all visible screws, often under rubber feet, so the case can separate. Use a flat plastic pry tool at a seam, insert it at a corner and twist gently. You do this to avoid cracking plastic. Continuing from a corner spreads force. Make sure to keep screws organized and take a photo of underside screw positions for reassembly. Once the case gap appears, open it only a fraction and look for plastic clips along the perimeter. Press them inward while lifting the top. You may encounter a ribbon cable connecting the PCB to the board. Release its latch or slide the connector about 1/2 cm before pulling the cable out. If your design has a metal plate or stabilizer bars, unscrew those first. Otherwise, you risk bending the PCB. You want steady, even pressure, slow and deliberate, so nothing pops or tears. Lift the top housing evenly once clips are free. Support the PCB so it doesn't flex. Check for any remaining hidden screws or adhesive. If you feel resistance, stop and scan the perimeter. If wires snag, identify the anchor point and release it before continuing. For adhesive spots, apply a small amount of isopropyl alcohol and wait 30 to 60 seconds. That softens glue. Troubleshooting tip: if the case won't budge, double check for overlooked screws or clips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.